If you want to book flights at the lowest possible price, Hopper is a powerful app that helps you predict fares and decide the best time to book. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Hopper to find cheap flights step by step, even if you've never used the app before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for flights, track prices, and use predictions to save money. First, download the Hopper app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it on your phone. Once you launch the app, you'll see a search option on the homepage. Start by entering your departure city and your destination. After that, select your travel dates and the number of passengers. Once you've entered the details, tap the search button to see available flights. Hopper will now display flight options along with a price calendar. One of the most useful features of Hopper is its color-coded calendar. Dates highlighted in green usually indicate the cheapest fares, while red dates are more expensive. This makes it very easy to quickly identify the best days to travel. After selecting your preferred dates, Hopper will also give you a recommendation such as book now or wait. This prediction is based on price trends and helps you decide whether the fare is likely to increase or drop. If the app suggests waiting, you can track the flight instead of booking immediately. To track a flight, simply tap on the Watch or Track Prices option. Hopper will then monitor the flight prices for you and send notifications when prices drop or are expected to rise. This helps you book at the right time without constantly checking prices yourself. You can also apply filters to refine your results. For example, you can filter flights by number of stops, airline, departure time, or price range. This helps you find a flight that fits both your budget and schedule. When you find a flight that matches your needs and price expectations, tap on it to view more details. Then proceed to book directly through the app or follow the booking link to complete your reservation. In this tutorial, we learned how to use Hopper to find cheap flights by searching routes, using the price calendar, following booking predictions, and tracking prices. These features make it easier to decide when to book and help you save money on your travel. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.